Hi, I'm Tracy and I work at the East Wing Studios in Newcastle. I've worked here since 2018, but I've been part of the studio since 2009 when it operated out of our spare room. The joke at the time was that we had a studio in the east wing of our two-bedroom Tyneside flat. The spare bedroom studio was really short-lived and the east wing quickly moved into Kingsland Church Studio. As the new studio was located in the east corner of the church, we kept the name the East Wing Studios. We've grown quite a lot over the past few years, and now we have 3 acoustically designed and treated studios and a lovely office reception space, which is where I work when I'm not working from home. I'm the Office and Business Development Manager for the East Wing Studios, and I'm also a voiceover agent for natural sounding voices, but I'll come back to that a little later. The rest of our team is a mixture of full and part-time audio geeks, as well as some freelance video editors and location sound recordists. At the East Wing, we provide audio post-production services, which include bespoke music composition, sound design, sound effects, dubbing mixing, voiceover production such as ADR and voice to picture. Our studios have various methods for remote direction, which is more and more popular since COVID locked us down and closed all the public studios earlier this year. Our most popular methods for remote direction are ISDN, Source Connect, Skype, and of course there's good old Zoom. Our main areas of work are in games, films, advertising, e-learning and corporate industry. Our team have worked on games such as Eve Valkyrie and Hood, Outlaws and Legends, which is due for release next year. This is probably a good point to talk about the voiceover agency. In 2018, we started Natural Sounding Voices, which was in response to our clients who were really looking for voiceover artists and actors that sounded like real people. There's still a huge demand for sales voices. However, our clients were asking more and more about voiceovers that sounded genuine and authentic. They were really looking for real people, but with the skills that voice actors have and develop over years of experience and training. It's pretty straightforward now to find a voiceover artist, but we felt that there was a gap in the market, which was to give our clients carefully curated lists of professional voiceovers, which is what we provide for all of our clients. Between the East Wing Studios and Natural Sounding Voices, we've worked with brands such as Sumo Digital, Focus Interactive, Emirates, Fred Perry, ITV, BBC, Greggs, and the Metro. In 2019, we were really honoured to be awarded the Royal Television Society's Award for Professional Excellence in Sound, and that was for the North East and Border regions. The award was a really great recognition for the team and all the hard work that they've put in over the past few years. We've always prided ourselves on the fact that we can offer what others cannot, which is our team. We're all really experienced, client-facing and really friendly. We work hard to ensure that we're far more than just a conveyor belt of services. Of course, like everyone else, we have the latest equipment and technology, but the East Wing Studio is not just about that. It's about how our team harness these and use them as instruments of creativity. We know that creativity comes best with the personal touch, and that mentality underpins everything that we do. Here's a show reel of some of our latest work.
Welcome to the next life.
It's here. All at Coral Vegas. There's a new Vegas in town.
Wicked.
No, this is wicked, mate. I fancied a walk anyway. Laters.
It's all going on this October. More chances, more winners, and bigger prizes.
What do you want? 2020 has been a tough year in so many ways, but we've managed to stay operational and responsive to the challenges that working from home created earlier this year. This year saw us provide music composition, sound design, and the casting of all the voiceovers for Sumo Digital and Focus Interactive's gruesome reimagining of the Robin Hood story, Hood, Outlaws and Legends. The reveal trailer clocked over 3.5 million views in its first 3 days. We also had the pleasure of doing the dubbing mix for Sunday for Sammy's Blu-ray DVD for the third time. For those who don't live in the Northeast, this is a live music and comedy show at the Utilita Arena. It features a host of local celebrities and talent and plays to an audience of over 17,000 people. We also provided the audio post-production for the third series of My First for CBeebies. We've literally just finished our first interactive movie for Whatify, providing score, composition, sound design and dubbing mix. And we're just wrapping up for Christmas with a music and sound design for a truly epic and hilarious fantasy promo video. For now, it remains a secret, but all will be revealed in December. If you would like any more information or you would like to discuss a project, please get in touch. While it's tough to meet face-to-face right now, we're more than happy to have a coffee and a chat over Zoom. All of our contact information is on the screen now, and we'll leave you with a piece of work that has our childhood selves feeling very proud. Here is the launch trailer for Hood, Outlaws and Legends.
We are the forest shadows, ghosts, running silently between the straight, cold lines of a corrupt state.
Quieten down, don't shed a tear.
They count, ration, manipulate.
There's a wolf in the night and he's talking near.
They've taken everything from those they claim to protect.
When the statesmen ravage and
Authority and
burn
steel
our lives,
will not stop us. We aren't an invading army.
most of the forest will be right at hand.
We are wraiths. We bypass defenses and strike at the heart.
The ghost of the forest, the wraith of the night. He won't think twice, he'll be by your side. The stag on his heavy, it's the archer's eye.
We take back what was stolen,
When the hoods both fly
and the people call us heroes.
from the dead of night.
To others, we are rivals. We are all outlaws. But some of us will become legends.
When hoods both flies from the dead